Hello everyone, I'm coming up with this now because I've had an awakening and well, I just want to talk about it now, about what I am and my life as what I am. So, they call them Therians now, so I'm not going to use the word werewolves, but werewolf, Therian, whatever you want to call us, but I'd rather you call us Therians than werewolves. Because werewolves, people think of howling. Well, we do love to howl at the full moon, but anyways, they think of transforming under a full moon and killing people. And that's not true at all. That's not true. We don't kill people. Some of us might like to hunt, but we can't transform into a wolf. The only thing we can do to transform is pretty much put ears or a tail on. Usually we wear tails. I'm going to back up so you can see my tail. But my tail right now is a black one, and my inner wolf is a white wolf. So I'm going to try to show you it. Don't look at my butt, look at my tail. Okay, so there it is. This one is for the convention I'm going to. I made it myself. And hopefully when I'm at the convention, I might buy a tail there, a white one. Because, like I said, my inner wolf is white one. Her name is Willow. And she has a mate who is named River. He is a black wolf, so yin and yang sort of, but we have a lot in common, so we're not really yin and yang. Or not, because we're like a lot alike, so yeah. So, if you want a better view of my tail, I have a video up that shows a better view. So, check that out. Like I said, we can't transform into a wolf. No one has the ability to shapeshift. But our spirit can shapeshift into a wolf completely. And we feel like we are a wolf. Like we are awesome howlers. I don't want to do it because I have a sore throat and I have one all the time. So I think I might howl not knowing it and no one else knowing it, because I'm probably like, I don't know, but all I know is I probably do howl and no one notices, but it affects my throat. So every quiz I've taken of who's your animal spirit, it said a wolf, and I always felt like I was a wolf inside. I never really walked up the stairs like a normal human. I do hear sometimes, but at my parents' house I would always run up the stairs on all fours. I always growled a lot, and when I was playing under the full moon, I would howl, and people actually think there was a real wolf in the yard. And I want to show you something. There was werewolves in Harry Potter, so I want to show you. This I found in the mall, just laying there. I didn't steal it. It was someone else's, and they left it there. It's Gryffindor. So, yeah. And if you think you're cool liking other houses in Harry Potter that are not mentioned very often at all in Harry Potter, no, you're not cool. You're being different. Yeah, that's cool, but you're not cool because no one really knows what goes on in those houses. They only know what goes on in Gryffindor and Slytherin. So, people, it's not that cool. No, it's not that cool. What's this do? Oh, wait. Oh, I'm playing with my Wii thingy. This thingy. This motion sensor thing. And it just fell. Oh god. I hope I didn't break it. No, it's okay. So, I've been having dreams lately of wolves, being a wolf, meeting other wolves. The other night I had a dream about this guy named Chase, who was like a guy, like a human, but he walked like a human, but he looked like a wolf. And, yeah. And I was a wolf. Everyone thought I was a cat for some reason. But I'm pretty sure I was a wolf. Yeah. Or it was a cat. I'm not sure. It's just a weird dream. And I like to forget about the weird dreams. So, if I don't find a whitetail at the convention, that's a good price, and I want to buy other things there, I'll just wait till after and hopefully find one at Spencer's or something, or find some fur to make another one, but it's going to be shorter. It's going to be like the typical Therian one, fluffy and short. This one's really long. But yeah, I just feel so comfortable in it. It's like natural. It's natural. Yeah, I had my camera blocked out, so I had to start another video, and I'll put them together. So, I hope you like my feathers. And I'm thinking, hopefully, after the convention, I'm also going to get a wolf t-shirt. Everything wolf, like, I have one wolf, I'll go get him. His name is Steel. He's a timber wolf with purple eyes. He's really cool. And then my friend Christy loves wolves too, and I hopefully can get her into the Therian thing. And I saw another, I got him at Valley Village, and I saw another wolf at Valley Village, and it's so cute. He's so cute, but this one's really cute too, and hopefully it'll still be there when I get money and go there again. I'm gonna really start to change my look into what I really always wanted to look like. But I always hid it because I didn't know what my mom would think. Like, not like my sisters look completely, but sorta. But kind of the scene like look, because Aaron's more the emo look. But I want to be more scene, but not completely, because I'm not going to do much with my hair. I'm just going to cut it short again and put dye in it. So yeah, just highlights. I was thinking of bleaching my whole hair, but I don't think that would look very good. I was gonna do a certain haircut, but I don't think it'll be good on me because you have to straighten iron a lot, and I don't like doing much with my hair because I just don't. Even though my hair is like a crazy mess, I shouldn't have ever grown it out. But I might keep growing it out and then put braids more often. I want to do braids. That's good for Therians because native people wear braids, and you know, they believe in all these myths and stuff. Twilight with the werewolves. Ha. Yeah. Anyways, and then I still will put dye in my hair too, though. Yeah. So, my dad, I know I got my werewolf side from him. He's got golden eyes, and he is really hairy. His hair is like fur. So, yeah. He just changed for my mom because she's afraid of the unknown. And I have to hide this from her. She's not even really into me wearing a tail, and I'm only going to wear it inside and in the woods. Obviously in the woods. It's where wolves live, so. But she'll be like, oh, people saw you and they probably thought you were a retard. You're the only one that thinks that, mother. You criticize everything. Never mind the... I hope I'm blocking it. Yeah, I am. There's clothes on the bed. Those are dirty clothes. My hamper got too heavy because I'm lazy, so I have to bring those down when my other laundry is done. So, yeah. What was I going to say? Oh yeah. I love meat. I really do. But my inner wolf is a scavenger most of the time, but my other pack members hunt if we can't find enough to scavenge. Because I can't kill an animal. I love them too much. Yeah. And I've noticed a lot of us werewolves love rabbits, but not to eat, to have as a pet. So, that's a strange thing. We're more like a puppy dog than a wolf. But wolves are not what you think. They're actually very loving, caring animals. yeah. If anyone else is a Therian that wants to join my pack, if they don't have a pack yet, my pack is the Indigo Moon pack, and we let in anyone, especially outsiders that are not accepted. And yeah, I have a few members already. I have my friend Elizabeth, who is Luna. She's a silver wolf. At least I called her Luna until I figure out, which I probably won't because I never see her anymore. But if I do, I figure out what she wants to be called as a wolf. But she's silver with crystal blue eyes. And she's allergic to silver, like a werewolf. But her fur is silver as a wolf, and maybe she'll do the Therian thing if we start to hang out again. Even though she's 33. And then I have my mate. We're alpha male and alpha female. And then I have his brother, who is brown with feathers in his fur. By the way, me and my mate both have wings. His are white, mine are black. So then there's my friend Adam, who is Diabel. I named him that because he looks so much like Diabel. So he's black wolf with black feathers, and black and white feathers actually. Chrissy is Malachi after her dog, and she has black and white fur. And then that's all. But I'm friends with other packs. There's the, was it Blood Moon pack? I'm not sure what it was, but yeah. Her name's Crystal, and she's got mostly brown fur. And Chase, I'm not sure if he's really real or not. He might be. But I'm writing a story. I'll go get it and show you. I bet you saw my tail. Yep. So there's the cover. I'm obviously not done yet, but yeah. There's other characters in them, but that's another story. I gotta end this video now. So bye-bye. Oh! See, that's not my best howl. If I did it, it would be too loud and my throat hurts, so yeah. Bye.